Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Okay, so we're going to start by putting our instant active dry yeast into a stand mixer, followed by some warm milk to activate it. Next, we're going to put in the pumpkin puree, followed by the softened butter. We're adding in 1 egg and some brown sugar. Next, we're going to add in half of our flour and then give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add in the second half of the flour and make sure that's all mixed in. The dough should look like this, and it's ready to be popped into a lightly greased bowl, and we're going to leave it there to rise for 1 hour. While the dough is rising, we're going to make the filling. So to start, we're going to put softened butter and pumpkin puree in a stand mixer and mix that really well until combined. After that's combined, we're going to put in the brown sugar and then all the spices, the cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. We're just going to mix this until it's combined. And now our dough is ready, so we can roll it out on a floured surface. Now we're going to roll this out until it's all nice and level. Once that's all set, now we can go ahead and put the filling down and spread it all out nice and even. And now we're going to carefully roll it all up and make sure the end of it is pulled over the dough. Now, using a serrated knife, I'm going to mark the dough and cut the rolls. When I'm done cutting the rolls, I'm going to put them into a lightly greased 9 by 13 inch pan and preheat my oven to 350. We're going to bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes. While they're in the oven, we're going to make the icing. So to start, we're going to put softened cream cheese and softened butter into our stand mixer. And we're going to mix that first on about medium to high speed. Next, we're going to add in our powdered sugar and mix it on low. Then we're going to drizzle in vanilla and milk. And now the last step is to spread your icing over your warm cinnamon rolls and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching!